The General Center Theory by Dr. Alon Giladi. Article 3. The Scientific Breakthrough.
When we look at Aristotle and we look at both Newton and Einstein, we see that with each and every one of these enormous phenomena in human thought, there was some connection between their theoretical observation and their religious observation. That is, Aristotle, for example, saw that there was some kind of first driving force, some kind of first supreme superior force in contrast to the pagan beliefs of the idols and the like of his time. Newton was certainly interested in religion. Some say that he was more concerned and delved deeper into religion than into science. He was also interested in religion in mystical ways and the like, but he certainly tried to see the unity that can be seen between religion, between faith, and science. On the other hand, it should be noted that Einstein was certainly not a religious man, but Einstein believed in a higher power, something that is perhaps similar to Spinoza's thought. Although there is debate about Spinoza's thought, whether it is pantheistic thought or not, whether nature is God in his view, or whether nature is part of God that cannot be spoken about, and so on. In any case, Einstein must have seen the connection between faith and science as a connection between a deity who is not a deity of some old man who sits in heaven, or someone who personally oversees the ego and the like, that answers to those who praise to him, and so on. However, he thought of the existence of a higher power that is beyond our understanding, similar to the knowledge that we are working to get closer to the truth that we do not achieve. And indeed, one of Einstein's main goals that he did not achieve was to find the theory that unites all the theories: the mechanics theory, the theory of relativity, and the quantum theory. So, the breakthrough, the leap forward also in the scientific aspect, first of all passes through doubt. It passes first of all through going out of the box, and necessarily includes going out of the moral and the faith box, from decadence, from error upon error, from the deterioration both in the moral aspect and in the faith aspect, and from there, or at the same time, towards the leap forward in the scientific path.